Well, that's the bed kind of made. Electric blanket underneath all that lot keeps me nice and warm during the night. Looks quite nice out there this morning. It's a little bit cold, and it's supposed to get colder. Alright, let's head on through. I've got some breakfast cooking. Oh, ouch. There we go. Oh, you can't really see. Just starting off with my breakfast. And this is my latest acquisition. This is a dehumidifier. And I've had this running pretty much all night, and it has made a difference. But we'll talk about that a little bit later. So this is the reality of living on a boat in the winter in Scotland. It's flipping cold. Quite often it's wet. Today is a dry day and there's no wind at all. A hot cup of coffee helps. A couple of sausages in here. Black pudding. We'll put some mushrooms in this lot as well. That's going to be my breakfast this morning. And we'll see what the day brings.